Hello, Darin Martineau from Master Magic University. And in this video, I'm going to perform for you a routine I call the 4 bullets. Okay. Now, every pack of cards has 4 bullets in it. Okay. What I'm going to do is give the cards a shuffle here. Just give them a little shuffle. And I'm going to try and find one of those 4 bullets here. Foremost magical cards in the deck, the 4 aces. And you can see there's no crimps, no breaks. I'm going to try and cut to one of those, just like so. I've got the ace of clubs. Now I can show there's no breaks, no crimps on all sides, nothing. And I'm going to try and find the next ace like this. This would be the ace of diamonds. Okay, and I'll try and find the next one, which would be the ace of hearts. And finally, the ace of spades, the most difficult ace because we know what's going to happen. We're going to cut right to ace of spades. Amazing. Now I'm going to cut that right into the depths of the pack. And what I'll do is give the cards another shuffle here. Okay, couple cuts. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to try and find them all at once this time. Okay, 4 bullets all at once. There you have it, 4 aces. Amazing. Now what I'm going to do, give the cards a cut like this and give it a little shuffle here. Give it a good shuffle. Mix them up really good. And I'm going to take the aces here. Okay, so you can see here. Take the aces, turn the aces over. Okay, you can see those are definitely the 4 aces. My sleeves are rolled up, nothing up the sleeve. All right, now watch. I'm going to just deal 3 indifferent cards on top of each ace, just like so. And I know you don't believe me, the aces are there, so I'll show you they're there. But I'm going to bury them into the middle of back into the middle of the pack. Okay, just like that. And the last ace. Ace of spades, a leader ace. Now I'm going to shuffle them into the depths of the pack. I'll shuffle them really good here. And always put your trust in the Lord, but always cut the cards. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you why you never want to play cards with the Magician here. Okay, I'll deal out the 4 hands yet again. Okay, 4 5-card stud poker hands here. Okay, now I'm going to give the audience a chance. If the audience was here, I'll give them a chance to select any one of these hands that they'd like. They can select any one. I'm going to select this one. Okay, so this is my hand here, and they can select any one they want. Let's say they selected this one. Okay, they selected this one. So you never want to play cards with a Magician because see, there's the 4 jacks, 4 queens, 4 kings, and there's the 4 aces of 4 bullets. Thank you very much. That is called the 4 bullets. If you'd like to learn that, click on the link and join Master Magic University now. And please smash the like button. Please subscribe to the channel for more. I'm going to be doing tons of performances on my original magic. And this is not my original here. This is the Leech routine called the 4 aces. I call it the 4 bullets, as you can see, and adapted it to the pattern. So if you'd like to get free magic video tutorials, click on the link, put in your name and email, and subscribe to my Master Magic University newsletter, where I send out constantly new videos, new magic video tutorials, and much, much more. So we'll see you on the inside. Thank you very much.